Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with another video and an upgrade that I did to my old drywall mud hawk. So originally this right here was my hawk, and it didn't have these radius corners. It was like straight corners, and the handle was just this right here. This was the original handle, and all I did was take two pieces of wood about this long here, one on one side, one on the other, and then wrapped it with some cloth and some tape, and I used to hold it like this. Okay, not like this, but this way actually. So I would grab it like this, hold it in my hand like that, and then I would use it like this, you know. But that became very uncomfortable, and then of course what I had on here started loosening up and becoming less efficient. So I went ahead and, like I said, put radiuses on all corners, and then welded this piece right here. This is a 1.5 inch galvanized fence post, and it's very comfortable, you know, to hold it like this. Okay, which is like what the other hawks have, the ones you buy from the store, except they're made with a wooden handle that's put dead center with a screw coming in from the other side, and that's what you have to hold it. So yes, this material here happens to be galvanized. It's a galvanized plate that I got from two companies ago that I used to work for in Massachusetts, and it's 1.9 millimeters thick. And at the company, what we did was use a lot of sheet metal to stamp out parts to make like commercial storage cabinets. So there was a blank piece that I ended up keeping and eventually turned it into a hawk. But like I said, this one here was easy because all I did was, you know, take out the old handle material, kept this handle. I was thinking about actually just welding this to the bottom over here, but I thought that maybe it was going to be too close, or I would have to make the pipe longer. Instead, I decided to just go ahead and weld it right there. As you can see, I welded it, I believe, all the way around, and yeah, mostly all the way around. And then, yeah, actually I did some over here too. But anyway, like I said, this thing fits very comfortable in my hand, you know, and you can use it for when you're, you know, mudding sheetrock walls. Makes it easier than using that little tub that you can buy. That little tub, you can use it, but it becomes awkward. This is more comfortable and easy to use. And I'll go ahead and set it back up over here again on my vise, and I'll show you how, you know, you use it. So basically, you got your knife, you know, this is a 6 inch, I believe. You got your 4 inch. So you grab it, and then, you know, you just come in either like this, you know, you can use it to mix mud and go around, you know. And you can hold this on an angle, so when you come in on an angle, you can scoop up the mud and makes easy work of the wall, you know. Scoop and scoop and lay it on the wall. Whereas the bucket or the little tub, you got to hold it a certain way. And this has the same thing, has edges for scraping. You can scrape, you know. This actually has 4 sides instead of, you know, just the 2, as you know, than the tub. But like I said, this is very comfortable, easy to use, and like I said, if you have a metal plate like this, I prefer galvanized. The ones at the store, I think, is polished steel, because I can, once I'm done, take it right to the bucket, you know, with the plastic brush, go ahead and wash it down, let it dry. And the only things that may show a little rust is right here where the welds came through on, you know, from the other side. But you know, as long as you keep using it, it stays that. Or if once you just wash it, just dry it off right there. It'll never rust. So there you go, guys. A quick upgrade to an old Hawk that I've been using for a while. That was a little awkward, but now it's, you know, gets used just like it's supposed to be. Alright, as always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Hit the bell button for notifications of more upcoming videos. Alright, you guys take it easy, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.